So, what to make money online? If you're a beginner, don't know much about how to work online, just then follow this video and I'm going to explain you some of the very easy ways to make money online, especially if you're a beginner or if you're a newbie and you don't know much how to earn money online. So the first and foremost method is blogging. Blogging is a very famous method, and through that you can earn through different ways. You can earn through affiliate marketing, you can earn through placing Google ads on your website, via Google AdSense. So it's all about writing content, and then whenever people visit your content or your articles, they are going to see an ad and you are going to be paid whenever someone clicks on your website. So that method is very famous and very common. So let me just show you an example of it, so you can have an idea. For instance, this is a blog, just sharing you for the reference, and you can see this is an article, and you can see here is the Google ad. It's been running on it. So another ad. So another ad. So blogging is all even you can see this is another ad. So it's blogging is about writing, and you write if you are passionate about writing, if you are passionate about creating content via written words, if you can create good articles, blogging is a very good way to make money online. It is not difficult. All it requires is consistency, and you need to be patient. You are not going to be a millionaire the next day you have started writing articles. It takes time, it takes patience, it takes courage. You have to share your article on social media channels, Facebook, LinkedIn, wherever you have to share it with your friend circle, wherever possible. After some time of writing articles, after even I would personally suggest after writing 50-60 articles, you will start noticing results, and you can through that earn money through it. The second method is vlogging. Vlogging is another famous method through which you can make money online. What is vlogging? Vlogging is actually creating video-based content on YouTube, just like this video I'm creating for you. So you can see there are multiple videos, vloggers on YouTube who are earning money through vlogging. So the first and foremost method of earning through vlogging is via Google AdSense, but there are other methods as well. People sell other products, shirts or whatever they have. They even do sponsorship videos for brands. They create particular videos for it. So also, just like blogging, vlogging also requires patience, but if you are not able to create good content in writing, and if you can speak and create video content, vlogging is a place to go and make money through it. And it also requires patience, and it also requires a lot of videos to start running and make money online. It takes time, it takes passion. You need to know that anything in any industry, it takes time, patience and consistency. You need to be consistent with whatever your circumstances are, and you are going to start seeing the results. Now, number third is event blogging. Event blogging is something really different. If you are a newbie, I do not recommend it much, but if you know slightly about internet, it is a very good way to earn money. It's about targeting events, creating websites specifically for it. For instance, if there is a Happy New Year, and like right now this is 31st July, and after some months it's going to be a Happy New Year of 2023. So before 6 months before, if I start working on Happy New Year 2023, and I know that people will start searching about Happy New Year in the end of December or in the start of January, but since I started working in July and August, I'm doing event blogging because I'm targeting an event quite a month ago. For instance, if there is a FIFA event and FIFA is going to happen after 6 months or 4 months, and I'm going to create a content or website promoting it before anyone else promotes it, I will have a very less competition and I can rank it very well. That is event blogging. And another method is freelancing. Freelancing, for those who don't know, freelancing is a very famous method. You are not bound to, and you can work online for different people without any like a permanent job, contract to contract basis. Even you can have 3-4 contracts of different companies at a time. It's not an issue at all, and you can work simultaneously for 3-4 companies together from your place. You don't need to physically visit them and earn money through it. So for those who don't know, Upwork is a very famous platform. Freelancer.com is also very famous, but just for information, Upwork.com and Freelancer, these two are very famous platforms. There are other platforms as well. Guru.com is also another. People Per Hour is another platform as well, but these are the very famous platforms. Upwork, you can earn money through Upwork. You can earn money through Freelancer. All you have to do is you have to just search and browse on projects, mention your skills here on whatever your skill is, and you just have to start. For instance, for those who don't know. I'm a Google Ads specialist. I'm also a Facebook marketer. I'm just going to select it here, and I will start seeing results relevant to Google Ads or Facebook Ads, because I'm a specialist in it, so I will be interested in it. So I have to just find out relevant projects, and I have to bid on it, and whenever I'm awarded the project on it, I can earn money through it. In case if you do not have time to earn money through it, there's also a very famous platform, that is Fiverr.com. Through Fiverr you can also make money online, but the process of Fiverr is different than Upwork and Freelancer, because on Upwork and Freelancer you have to bid on different projects, but on Fiverr you have to create gigs, and that is how you make money, because there are different gigs, and that is how you can earn money online. For instance, this is a guy promoting his Google Map local citation services for $10. There are pre-designed packages available on Fiverr. You can create your own pre-designed package and sell it openly on Fiverr. You can see there are different levels on Fiverr, level 1, 2, and top rated sellers as well, and you can just post about any skill you have, anything you are good at, and you can just start freelancing through it. Another is, in case if you do not have any skill but you just want to work with someone to gain an experience and to learn a skill, be a virtual assistant of someone, and you can earn money by becoming a virtual assistant of any person, and that is also a very good way. You can where to find a good job, you can find them on Facebook groups, you can find on freelancing websites, but it doesn't pay much, but you're going to learn a lot of experience, and you're probably going to learn a lot of new skills through it. You can also start your online store. It's not difficult at all. Let me share you an experience, so making things easy for you. My sister moved to Canada, Vancouver. She started her business with the name of the Cakery Bakery, because she was in the home and she wanted to do some business. So what she did, she created a page and started selling services with the name of the Cakery Bakery. She used to create cakes, because I'm also the admin, so you can see my number here. Okay, because I'm also the admin, I can see anything here. So I'm just sharing the experience of her. She got 5-star 2 reviews. Because she worked for a very little time, she didn't work much. She created cakes and earned through it. So in case if you are good at anything, if you can sell clothes, furniture, cakes, accessories, anything you are good at, all you have to do is you have to create a Facebook page and start your own online journey, and you can make money through it. It's not difficult at all. So that is how she made some quick money. Although she is not working anymore in this, I'm just showing you as an example. So you can also be a content writer. If you are a good article writer, you can sell your services to someone else, and they can hire you for this. And another interesting thing is you can also become a ghostwriter. Ghostwriter is someone who works for famous celebrities who are very well known and have a very large following, and people are expecting article or written content from them to read, and they do not have much time. So they hire ghostwriters who write content on their behalf. So you can also be a ghostwriter and earn money through it. You can also be a web developer. You can also create websites for others and make money through it. Web development is also a very famous niche. People can make money through it. Graphic designing is also very good. I personally recommend Canva.com, which is a very good platform for graphic designing. You can earn money through Canva as well by becoming a graphic designer. Even I create my thumbnail post through Canva as well. Although I'm not a good designer, but people who are good designers can earn good amount of money through Canva. By becoming a graphic designer. Canva is a free tool for majority of the people. In case if you want advanced benefits, advanced tools, you can opt for a paid membership, but with a free, it has so much good features that I just wanted to appreciate the owner or the team of Canva, that they have done a wonderful and amazing job. And you can see, you can even see my recent designs as well. Pretty bad internet is over here, so apologies for that, because it's going to take time. But you have an option of creating video, Facebook page, Instagram story. You just need to watch out few tutorials on YouTube, and that is how you can make money through graphic designing. And Canva is a way to start. You can see some images of my YouTube thumbnails. So this is another business. Also, consultancy business is something very important, very good. If you are an architect, if you have a knowledge about a particular skill, if you have an experience about a particular skill, you can sell you can be a consultant and you can help other businesses and earn money through your knowledge or wisdom and your experience. And you just need to be you are going to share your experience which you have learned over the time in peanuts for someone who is looking for experience information in that particular field. Customized consultation is also a very good way. People can be paid $50, $100 per hour, depending on the knowledge and amount of experience you have. You can be paid a good amount. You can be paid a good amount of money through consultancy business. You can also do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is actually promoting someone else's product and earn money through it. Back in the day, let me show you another example. So you can do product reviews and make money through it. For instance, there is a very famous product that is the SEM Rush, and what I did was I created a article on SEM Rush on my website, and I also created a SEM Rush review. You can see my review here. So I also added a link on whenever someone wants to buy SEM Rush tool, you just need to click on this link, and I'm going to be paid an affiliate commission for referring a customer to SEM Rush. SEM Rush is going to pay me some amount for referring them a customer. So SEM Rush is since a product which needs monthly subscription, so I'm being paid every month through it. So very good, very amazing tool. SEM Rush, I personally suggest you. But SEM Rush is actually a digital product for PPC and services. You can apply this affiliate marketing formula in any industry, any field you like, through which you can earn money. Apply it. You can also start your own Facebook page with cakes or anything. I just told you an example of that as well. So you can also do online service and make money through it. So there are two very famous swag bucks and inbox dollars. I know there must be many more. So these were the two I do know. Do at your own risk. I'm not going to give you any guarantee for them, but they are very famous and very good website through which you can be paid for doing surveys. Companies require surveys to be filled, and you are going to be paid amount for filling surveys on behalf of them. You can see paid online surveys and free gift cards. So you just have to complete out surveys and questionnaires for the different companies who are looking for research on different people about the product or whatever their questions are. You just have to answer the questions and you are going to get money through it. You can also be influencer on through Instagram. Becoming an Instagram blogger is also very famous, and people are actually ideally, I have seen many ladies, not people, but reference to the female audience. I have seen many female bloggers who are on Instagram and earn the handsome amount. Even celebrities are earning handsome amount of money through Instagram. So whenever you have a fan page, you have a good audience on Instagram, and you have good following on Instagram, you can earn good money by sponsoring by sponsor. When you have audience, there must be sponsors who are willing to advertise their product or service on your page, or you are going to review their product or service on their page, on your page and will share it with your audience, and you will be paid through becoming an influencer. There's also another ways, that is tuition over Skype. So for instance, if you can be a good teacher, not everyone can be a good teacher, you need to understand this, but if you have a stamina and patience of teaching someone very good, you can be a good teacher and teach it via Skype. So you can do tuition via Skype. This is another good way as a beginner. The advantage of teaching via online Skype is you do not have to move, you don't have to travel, you are saving your traveling fees, you are saving your traveling time to move in from one place to another place, and you just can be sitting in a home and can teach other people online. So this is another good way. Crypto is also a very famous way to earn money online, but you can also lose your money online as well, because I have seen many people who have lost a lot of money, and you also need to go with regulatory authorities. Not every country is allowing working with cryptocurrencies, so you need to show if your country is approving working with cryptocurrencies to make money online. People have made money with Bitcoin and different currencies in crypto, but people also have lost money with it as well. So just do it wisely. There's another way, and that is selling your unused room and apartment on Airbnb and earn fast cash online through it. So what you have to do is, if there is any unused room or apartment vacant and it is your property, you can sell it for a day or two through Airbnb, even for weeks or months, and get a good amount of income. For instance, if you have a property lying around and you just want to make the most out of it, you can promote it on Airbnb and you can earn money through it. You can, if you are a good photographer or if you have a good camera, you can also earn money through by selling photos. Shutterstock is a very famous place through which you can earn money online. Promoting different pictures. If you just need to be creative. I have seen many photos people they're capturing in forest or different areas, or when you're a photographer, your concept of taking pictures is different than an ordinary person like me. I'm not a photographer myself, so the photographers can earn good money through it by Shutterstock, by selling your photos through it. So it all again, it comes to your passion, whatever you like. I have just discussed few of the methods through which you can earn money online as a beginner. I know not every method is going to work for everyone. You also need to create twist. I just showed you some examples. You can create your own, come with your own example and make and go with it. Just try to discuss few of the things which I thought can be a good strategy to make money online. Sky is the limit if you are creative. You also need to be patient with whatever you do, and you also need to be consistent, and you also need to keep on evaluating wherever you are wrong and how you can improve yourself further and how you can maximize your skill, and that is how you can keep making money online. I hope you like my video. If you have anything or questions, comments or suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you and bye bye.